Hi, I'm Lucas, the founder of MNT, and today I want to show you something that I've been working on for the last few months, which is an open source graphics card for Amiga computers. It first started as a series of experiments with FPGA technology, and after many failed attempts like these ones here, this was another one, I finally came up with a working prototype, and after writing an article about it online, Scarab Hardware, the makers of the Mini Spartan, approached me, and we decided to develop this project into a finished product. And this is the MNT VA2000 open source HDMI graphics card for Amiga computers. And I put together a little demo to show you how to use it and what it can do.